Every so often, an opportunity comes along that will either define you or break you. This is the story of our Melissa's Produce Challenge. I must admit, we were a little intimidated when all those boxes of that beautiful produce arrived. Just look at it. And now, the pressure was on. What were we going to make? But then, we decided, we need to get funky. Halibut with black garlic and shishito peppers, a dish so exquisite and so refined its inception could only have come about under extraordinary circumstances such as these. Not only is it delicious with a beautiful presentation, but it has powerful aphrodisiac qualities. You're welcome. Everyone loves breakfast potatoes, so we thought we'd take Melissa's Baby Dutch Yellows and do them justice with this simple technique that is guaranteed to put a smile on the face of even the pickiest of breakfast guests. Pickles with turmeric and ginger is not your typical pickle recipe. Say that 3 times fast. Oh yeah, this one uses fresh ginger and turmeric root that are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatories. And I'm not just jerking your gherkin. For all of you asparagus heads, this is it. A simple, delicious soup recipe that's surprisingly filling. It's the perfect combination of garlic, onion, and asparagus with a touch of cream. And for our final dish, pumpkin pie's less ghetto cousin. Trust me, this recipe will blow your mind. It's light, complex, and so good, you'll be making it throughout the year. And of course, don't forget the homemade whipped cream. There it is, the money shot. For the largest selection of the freshest produce found anywhere in the world, go to melissas.com. And thanks for watching.